actually found this idea to evaporate the jailbreak game. Cool. Let's roll to the video.
And cut the video.
Let's roll into the video. Let's do this.
Like,
oh my god, you can't catch me. You can't catch me.
you can actually jump.
Shh. I got a sleep to go to the police station.
You're holding it right there.
No, you never need to do this. No, I must escape. Ye down.
Right.
I must escape. Hello? This is the police. Charles, this. Don't get me.
We will arrest you.
You don't arrest me. Don't arrest me.
God, I'm suffocating with Dad.
What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? Arrest me. Don't arrest me. One. Oh, no, you don't arrest me.
I'm suffocating with Dad.
You just arrest me. To be continued. I have been amazing. Look at me. I have. Look at my head. Let me just. How do we escape prison? No one just.
Okay, let me just check Jailbraek.
I must.
The Jailbraek camera. Oh my god.
How do I escape prison? Yes.
Breakfast time when Mrs. Farncombe is making breakfast. Come to the hall quick.
Oh my god, come to the
I'm
hall.
Mr. Adam Farncombe, and I'm coming to get. What was that? What was that thingy?
We don't know. Probably a live event.
Mrs. Farncombe, let's tell you something.
Oh, it's probably the new food. Let's get some food now. Please open this door.
Breakfast time. Hello, where's Mrs. Farncombe?
You know, I'm going to escape prison now.
Get my key card. Key card.
Pretend. Oh my god. Yes, I got a pistol. Now I can kill it.
Don't get the key card. Don't get key card.
No!
Get a key card.
I did that. Do you have a key card, sir? Yes, you drop a key card. You drop a key card. Yes, now I can have a key card.
Do you have the key card?
Yeah. I imagine you shoot some prisoners here.
Whoa, there's a robber in.
Robber!
Killing me, we're friends!
Yeet! We killed together. Let's do this. Just take the.
Wait, he's inside!
Oh,
He's inside!
Ah! Something! Don't arrest me! I don't.
I can't arrest you. I can't.
Why?
If I
I'm having the wood. Oh, we both died.
Are you in prison?
Yeah.
There's a prisoner in this building and I got to go and arrest him. Okay, let's get my pew pew. Yeah, guys, there's a new Jailbraek toy by Simo. And if you don't know, I got to get these prisoners.
Look out! Look out!
Oh. Okay, arrest him. You can now play Jailbraek on the Xbox. Good.
Arrest them, I mean.
There's a cop. He's all arrested.
Open the door!
Okay. You get in.
But it's gone.
Okay.
Girl play wife.
Okay. I better go in too.
What are you doing to me?
This is the final battle. and then me.
Oh my god.
This is the final battle. As you be, greetings me.
Later. Ah, yes. Yes, what are you doing to me? I'm spinning around. Ah, I get how to spin up really dizzy.
To arrest you. To arrest you. This is it of our episode.
No, how did you just arrest me? How? You arrest me for good. This must be in right here. Boy.
Thank you.
This is, I'll just let you know.